Vertical Machining Center CS-VMC 168, manufactured by Changsing Machinery Company Ltd, adopts an extra heavy-duty one-piece Mehanite steel base with 4 slideways Y-axis. A box-type column generates outstanding stability in heavy-duty machining and accurate dynamic leveling during full stroke. The working table, which is fully supported through the entire longitudinal traverse, gives no overhanging problems. The 3-axis slideways are hardened, precision ground and coated with turquoise B to minimize friction. A quantitative automatic lubrication system provides all slideways with forced lubrication, ensuring high feeding accuracy and long slideway service life. The 3-axis slideways are fitted with retractable protective guards to ensure longer service life of precision slideways. Mounted on Class P4 precision bearings, the spindle is driven by a powerful AC spindle motor with 2-stage gear transmission. Spindle speeds range from 40 to 4000 RPM. This offers flexible cutting capability and high accuracy, making it the ultimate choice for both fine and heavy machining. The quill-type spindle has a circulating coolant circuit combined with an oil temperature controller to eliminate thermal expansion on the spindle, again ensuring long-term machining accuracy and extending the service life of the spindle. Vertical Machining Center CS-VMC 168 is equipped with swift and stable cam-type ATC. Random tool selection and storage provides a fast, stable and positive tool exchange operation. The 30-tool magazine enhances machining flexibility and efficiency. Professional CNC controls with simple procedures for easy operation are used, and customers have a choice between either Mitsubishi or Fanuc. The 3 axes are all laser tested for enhanced precision and will generate both positioning and repeat accuracy. Precision correction may be carried out during the actual machining process. Vertical Machining Center CS-VMC 168 is a heavy-duty CNC machining center with unmatchable rigidity and precision. This will satisfy automobile industries and mechanical parts manufacturers alike. With its enhanced mechanical qualities, it has the winning edge in the machine tool market. Vertical Machining Center CS-VMC 168